How can I reduce Python virtual environment overhead for small projects? Imagine setting up a new project and wondering if you really need a full virtual environment for such a tiny task. Well, let's explore how to keep things simple and efficient. When working on small projects, the goal is to avoid unnecessary clutter and resource use. Python has a built-in tool called the Virtual Environment module that is perfect for this. It creates isolated spaces for your project without taking up much space or adding extra complexity. Instead of using heavier dependency managers like pipenv, which can slow things down, stick with the basics. Use the built-in Virtual Environment tool to create your environment with just one command. It's quick and lightweight, perfect for small projects. Keep your installed packages to only what you need. Installing unnecessary libraries can quickly bloat your environment and slow down your workflow. When you install packages, do it only inside your virtual environment, not globally on your system. This keeps your project dependencies clean and avoids conflicts. Managing dependencies with a requirements file, like requirements text, helps you keep track of what's needed. This way, you avoid installing extra packages that aren't necessary. Activate your virtual environment only when you're working on your project. This reduces resource use when you're not actively coding. For quick scripts or very small projects, you might skip activating the environment altogether. Instead, run your script using the environment's Python interpreter directly. If your project is super simple and you trust your system Python setup, you could even skip the virtual environment, but that risks dependency conflicts later on. Containerization tools like Docker are heavier and usually unnecessary for small projects, but they can be useful if you need more control. Overall, keeping your virtual environment minimal by installing only what's needed and managing dependencies carefully makes your project lean and fast. This approach makes backend development easier, especially when working with APIs, databases, and server-side logic. Remember, the key is to keep things simple, focused, and efficient so you can develop quickly without wasting resources.